Unit 1. Where do you come from?
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from?
I come from England.
You come from England. Do you like Manchester United?
I don't like football.
Oh, you don't like football. I see. Why did you come here?
I came for vacation.
You came for vacation. Are you having fun?
Yes, I'm having a great time.
What do you like the best about here?
What do I like the best? Well, the people are very kind.
Yes, the people here are kind. Do you like the food?
Yes, the food is great.
Is the food too spicy for you?
No, I love spicy food. I can eat spicy food every day.
How much longer will you stay here?
I will stay 2 more days.
Oh, then you will go home?
Yes, then I will go home.
Where do you work?
I work for a big company.
What kind of company do you work for?
I work for an import company. And what about you?
I work at a bank.
Huh. Are you a bank teller?
No, I'm the owner.
Unit 2. How was your vacation?
Hey! Hey! How was your vacation? It was very fun. Where did you go? I went to the beach. Who did you go with? I went with my father, mother, and older sister. Do you have a house at the beach? No, we stayed at a hotel. Which hotel did you stay at? It's called the Imperial. Have you stayed there before? Yes, we've been going there for years. Must be very nice. Yes, it's very nice. And not too expensive. Did you play in the water? Yes, I went swimming and I rode the banana boat. How about your older sister? She does not like the water. She likes to sit on the beach and read a book. What do your mother and father like to do? They like to eat in the restaurant. How long was your vacation? 3 or 4 days. And will you go there again next year? Of course.
Unit 3. Do you remember me?
Hey, is that Bill?
Yeah.
Do you remember me from school?
I'm sorry, I don't remember you. Did we study together?
Yes, and we lived in the same dorm too.
Really? What floor did you live on?
I lived on the 9th floor. You lived on the 7th floor.
That's right. How did you know?
I would see you in the elevator sometimes.
I'm sorry, I don't remember you.
It's all right. It was several years ago.
Well, anyway, it's nice to meet you again. Monica Sales, right?
Yes. See? So you do remember me.
Okay. So, where do you live now?
I live in an apartment.
Oh, do you live with your parents?
No, my parents moved to the country.
Oh, they must be very happy there.
Yes, they enjoy it very much.
So, do you live alone?
No, I share the apartment with an old friend.
Really? A friend?
She's an old friend from school. We've known each other for many years. How about you, Bill? Where do you live?
Oh, I rent an apartment. I'm by myself.
Do you like it there?
Yeah, but it's kind of noisy.
Oh, maybe you should complain with your neighbors.
Oh, no. I'm the one who makes the noise.
Unit 4. I like your style.
Hey, I like your shirt.
It's new. I got it last week.
Huh, did you get anything else?
No, just the shirt.
Where did you get it?
I got it from the weekend market.
How much did it cost?
It cost about $12.
Really? That did not cost too much at all.
Yeah, it's a good price.
Huh. Do you like to wear hats?
Yeah, I like to wear hats, but only in the winter time, when it is cold.
Aww. What do you think about fashion?
I think it is important to be in fashion.
Unit 5. Family.
Do you have any brothers and sisters?
I have one sister.
Who is older, you or your sister?
My sister is older than me.
Do you get along with your sister?
Yes, we get along okay.
How about your parents?
My father died many years ago.
I am sorry to hear about that.
My mother is fine though. She is very strong and likes to work.
What does your mother do?
She teaches at a university.
That's great. What does she teach?
She teaches psych.
Pardon me? I do not understand.
She teaches psychology.
Psychology. I understand now.
How about you? Are you married?
I'm not married yet. We broke up.
I'm sad to hear that.
Unit 6. Returning a shirt to the store.
Can I return this?
What is it?
It's a shirt.
What's wrong with it?
Well, nothing's wrong with it. It just doesn't fit.
Is the color wrong?
No, the color's fine, but the size is much too small.
Do you remember when you bought it?
I didn't.
You didn't buy the shirt. Who bought it?
My friend bought it.
Do you remember when your friend bought it?
She bought it last week.
Okay, good. Do you have the receipt?
As a matter of fact, I do.
Let me have the shirt and the receipt, please. Would you like to exchange it for a larger size?
Can I get cash back instead?
No, but I can give you store credit.
What is that?
Well, the shirt was $19.99, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Well, I can give you a store coupon good for $19.99. Or you can exchange this shirt for a larger size.
Okay, I'll take the coupon.
Okay.
Thank you.